If you guys have a free time, I'm going to show you how you can make money like this every single day using a couple of websites. All you have to do is spend your time and you can make money from home. Please guys, watch the video until the end, learn about it, apply yourself, and you can make money online. If you want to show your support to our channels, all you have to do is subscribe to our channels, like this video, leave a comment, I like this video, so I can run a cash giveaway next week. So if you want to win £10 PayPal money, all you have to do is leave a comment, I like this video, and like this video. We're going to start with this website called it is called vad.ojo.com, vad.ojoo.com. And you can see this website is straight away you can get paid to click ad on this. All you have to do is come onto this website, register your free account with it on here. After that, these are the ads that you are available. Click this ad, it will open up, wait for 5 seconds, and you get paid for that. Yeah, this is not going to pay you big money, but every single hours they upload up to 50 to 60 ads every single hour. All you have to do is click open that, wait for a couple of seconds, and you get paid. Once you get your enough money on your wallet, then you can withdraw that money using PayPal account. So this website is called vad.ojos.com, and there's a link in the description. Go and check it out. Second website is called uniquepaid.com. This website is going to pay you money to read email. All you have to do is register with this website and wait for it. You will receive an email, you open up and you read that email, and you get paid real PayPal money. There's no minimum payment amount to get paid, but when you have a money on your wallet, you can get paid through PayPal or Bitcoin, and you need to have at least 10 cents or $500 to withdraw that. And if you want to withdraw by check, if the PayPal is not available and you don't want the Bitcoin, you can get paid by check. For that, you need to have a minimum $5 on your wallet. Also, if you refer people and they sign up and they create an account with this website, and you can make $2 in referral revenue. So this is the $2 will be added in your wallet, and you can withdraw that money with your actual wallet. So second website is called uniquepaid.com, where you get paid to read emails. Third one, if you are interested in music, you can review the music and you can get paid. But this website not only review your music, you can do other things and earn money from it. This is called slicethepie.com, and you can see this is a straight away simple looking website, and they paid over millions of dollars for your contributors. So all you have to do is click the free account. So click sign up button, create a free account with it, and this is your dashboard gonna look like. You can click this one called, you can do branding review. Basically you're gonna review logos and brand imagery. This is the one, my favorite one is reviewing music, and this is a video concert review videos, and this audio branding, you're gonna review an audio. So if you click music, and it will open page like this one. All you have to do is play the music, and you need to listen to music at least 90 seconds before you start to do a review. So simply write at least 2 to 3 sentences about that music. Then you need to answer this multiple choice question on here. Give a position by 0 to 10 and click submit, and you get paid for that. So straight away within a couple of seconds you can make money by reviewing music or reviewing logos, branding, videos, and other things. The final website is called megatypers.com. This is one of my favorite websites, and if you have a mother, a parent, or students, or if you are staying home and looking to work online, this is the one of the good website. Is called megatypers.com. This is a website gonna pay you money to type on your computer. You can make $200 every single month for free from this website. What kind of job that available? They give images. So for example, screenshot or scan copy of a document, you type that from image, you can make up to 45 cents per 1,000 word. And also you can get paid at $1.50 to type a in a document. So if there's if they give in a document, you type that and send them in a PDF document, and you can get paid for that. All you have to do is create a free account with it. After you create the free account with it, you can join and you can work and you can get paid through PayPal or Western Union, Payza, and there's a lots of other ways that you can get paid from this website. And again, this website work worldwide. All you need is computer or smart devices plus and able to write in English, which is good enough to make money online. So I hope, guys, these are a couple of websites that you can use today, join for free, and these websites work worldwide. All you have to do is spend a little bit of your time, you can make money from it. I hope you understand these videos. Again, if you want to win £10 PayPal money next week, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment. I want win a cash giveaway, or any comment is acceptable for me, guys. All you have to do is show your support, and I will run a giveaway every single week. Under that, have a good day. See you in the next video, guys.